Oh god, that'd be so great if he's sitting on the bucket and someone drives around the corner, dude.
They're all boom. That'd be awful. They probably think we were shooting at him.
Ready?
Sushi likes this way too much.
Ah! Oh my god, I can feel the bucket! You okay, dude?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh dude! Did you blow up the bucket?
You owe me a new bucket! You owe me a new bucket, dude.
Oh.
Look at his ass. Look at his butt. See if he's got anything on him. Any holes?
No, dude, it's just the usual sushi dirty butt.
Let's get in there and watch it right now.
Oh my god.
Look at that. You owe me a new bucket. Dude, where's the other piece of it? There's more.